AK-917. It was perfect time to go. Okay, read 4, start. Oh my gosh. 2, start. All right. I hear a car coming though. I hope it doesn't turn this way. He's turning. He got a red light. Uh-oh. It burned up or something. We recovered it. Seen some smoke and stuff coming out of it. Still picking up. Am I still recording? Yeah, I think so. Still picking up. $65. It's my new PB, even though it didn't count for the competition or probably anybody on YouTube. But for me, I'll take it. All right, let's see what happened here. Definitely the tires when I heard that. That one. One of those nights, everything's going wrong. That's the only tire. But I don't know what went out on it. It stopped moving. Yeah, there's nothing. Well, let's investigate. So, maybe I fried something. Yeah, the motor's smoking hot. Huh. I see some meltage right there. Wow, this thing got hot fast. You know, it's the first time I heated my batteries. Maybe I should have geared down a little bit. But I see these wires are melted right there. Wow. Yeah, I probably should have geared down if I overcharged a little bit, and first time I heated them up, I think to 115. This is what it was, right around 115, so I guess that's too much. Yeah, the motor's 190s, 200 and spots. Almost. Oh, shoot. New PB by like 6 or 7 miles an hour, and couldn't bring it back.